Okay, so let's have a look at our Bluetooth unit now. This is the little $7 Bluetooth unit from Hexatronic or Hobby King. Okay, it's a HB02, which will mean something in a minute. Now, 4 connections. It's got RX, TX, VCC, which is your voltage, and ground. Okay, so remember we said before we've got TX, RX, voltage and ground, 5 volt. Well, what you do, really simple, to connect this up, you plug your voltage to voltage, you plug your ground to ground, your TX to your RX to your TX. So we're back. We've got the ER9X on. We've got the little Astac camera on. We've got it all plugged in. We've got now, here's our LEDs. Okay, so we've just powered up. We won't have GPS just yet. So the on-screen display light is on. The light down underneath the transmitter's on, and the Bluetooth unit there is flashing to say we haven't got a signal yet. So all I've done is I've plugged in my battery. Right, so there's my battery there. I use this, so I've got, see what volts I got. Okay, so 12.48 is plugged in. This little battery connected into the filter and connected into the on-screen display. So now we're going to connect our Bluetooth up to the Samsung. Okay, so we go into settings, we go into Bluetooth, we'll unpair that. Okay, so we'll turn that off, turn that on, we'll see what we've got coming up. So there's our HB2. Okay, so we click on him, wants to pair, so we give it the magic number, pairing with it. It should go up into the top. So now it's paired. Okay, so now what we do, we get out of there, we go to apps, we go to MultiWii.
Started.
Now it'll try and start. I disconnect that. We then go across to settings, go into settings, Bluetooth.
Settings save.
There's the 2, HB02.
Settings.
Okay, get out of that.
Settings save.
Get out of that again. Restart it. And we connect.
MW connect. Horizon is on.
Okay, so you can see now, we are now connected via Bluetooth. Okay, and that's basically all there is to it. So we'll try and have a bit of a look around.
Altitude 0 meters.
Okay, so
Dashboard 1.
There's dashboard 1. Good picture of the video camera. So look, there's dashboard 1. Pitch and roll is 0. Sitting there dead level. Okay, so sitting there nice. So basically that's it. Okay, so we're all set up. The last part is probably the old Fat Sharks. Okay, so
Altitude 0 meters.
thank you. So there's a couple of things with the Fat Sharks. You get these. Now what you can do if you've got this radio, you can plug this into the back of your radio, so it goes in underneath your Fat Sharks, in there. That PS2 connection goes into your training port, back of your radio. And what you can do is you can have this has got the tracker card in it. So if you're if you're and
Altitude 0
this
meters.
this camera won't do it. There's a special camera. It's got 2 servos on it. But what you can do, if you look up, the camera looks up. You look down, you look left and right, the camera moves. So I'm waiting on another camera. I broke my camera somehow. So I just use this guy. So this is my Fat Sharks.
Meters.
So all we do, it's a bit hard to do one-handed, is we plug in the battery. Okay. We turn it on.
Altitude 0 meters.
And lo and behold, I don't know whether you can see that in there, but there is, this is sexy, isn't it? There is your,
Altitude 0 meters.
there's your voltage, that's a bit better, and that's what you're looking through. Okay, so you put that on, away you go, and that's how we set it up, people. Hope you enjoyed that.